porch without being caught. Let's go.
Camera ready.
Okay, stand over here, right here. Try not to kick anything. Okay, get a signal.
Okay. No signal. I go to settings. Sometimes I can do it with settings. There we go.
You're okay, dismiss.
Okay. Oh, they want a password.
Do you know what it is?
I thought I would just do it. Shoot.
Okay, we'll try another way. Voicemail?
Yeah. There's a... Here you dial.
Okay.
I don't know which one it is. Both of them say home. What do I say?
Just say hi, or just wondered how you're doing. And then I'll ring the doorbell. Dang it.
Try the other number.
Okay.
Okay. All right. 801-917.
What?
917.
Yeah.
5570.
It's ringing. Should we go?
Yeah.
Ring the bell. Stand up closer to the door, closer to the door. Closer. Merry Christmas.
The word. I just mailed you a Christmas card. Oh my
Okay, so what are you going to do?
I'm gonna say there's a man and a woman that would like to talk to you.
They're out on the porch. Okay, wait for Grandma. Wait a minute. Come on. Okay, go. Okay. Wait till we get on the porch. Merry Christmas.
Oh, I'm so happy you're here. Hi.
So are you going back? Are
You know, in 2 weeks.
I'm 5.
I'm here.
And I'm 5.
Okay, you have to know what just happened. I was watching Claire from my window while I was nursing, and I saw her get into an unidentified vehicle, and I thought she was being kidnapped. The car pulls away, and I turn the blinds, and I'm watching out there, and then I see a lady get out that looks very much like my mother. I said, that could not possibly be my mom. Who is that? And then she got out farther, and I said, that is my mom. Scared the bejeebies out of me. Thought my little girl was getting kidnapped. As Landon watches you guys drive away, and I'm like, where are they going?
We said, hey, little girl, you want to get in the car?
You did. And she did. I was like, I would never do that. What is wrong?
Well, I did because they're my grandma and grandpa.
I just squealed with delight inside and told Anna, and she lit up. You've got to go say hi to for Anna if you want.
Hello, Anna. Where's my Anna?
I just put the baby down right away, so
It's a baby.
you have to wash your hands.
I will.
Yes, it's you. Rosie. Anna.
Don't let Dave hear your voice.
I got Ollie.
Hello. You've been working out in your garage, haven't you?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah, you saw the cars out in the driveway.
Well, we came here earlier and banged on the door, called all
You
3
did?
cell phones.
Oh, really?
We could hear you out there working. We says, now we'll wait till Jeanette gets back.
Oh, I was out in the garage?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just banged on the door?
Well, I know, but we wanted to get... Hi. Hello. Who is this you're looking at? Hi.
I thought
You are so cute.
Who is that?
Yes, you are so
Oh,
cute.
for Anna.
Hi.
She's used to hearing your voice when we talk on the
Hello.
phone.
Hello, Rosie.
Hi, Rosie.
You have to wash your hands.
Oh, hands.
This is how Anna gives kisses. She rubs her lips back and forth on you. Dave, I have to tell you what happened.
Hello.
So Claire went outside to play with Landon.
Love you too.
Walk up, Santella's driveway here. Go ahead. This looks awfully familiar. So we came home for the holidays.
Nobody's here.
Well, we'll send them the videotape.
Just go home to Canada now.
Well, at least it's warmer up there.
No kidding.
Okay, let's go. Watch your head. Quickly so they don't see us before we get to the door.
everybody else.
Merry Christmas.
Mom and Dad are at the
Love you. Amy, how are you? Love you.
Why are you here?
Because we wanted to come and see you. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, wow.
Lily and Emily, let's go back inside for a second.
We were just about to leave.
I know.
Now we can go to your house.
What?
Are we gonna go to your house?
Yes.
I had a Christmas.
Why are you here?
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, I'm going to sit long enough for me to say goodbye.
Did you know what? Do you want to see our baby brother?
Where's Rich?
He'll be here in a few minutes.
Grandma, do you want to see our baby brother?
He's not here yet.
Oh,
Oh, my babies. My babies are here.
Dad,
Is a baby?
we don't know.
So where did you guys go? Are you parked hiding?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I blew it. I tried to play it well.
I had no idea.
They surprised me too. They thought I was you when I came in.
Posterity. Not very big, is it?
That's huge.
I'm talking about the elm.
Merry Christmas.
How did you finish this?
where's Dad?
Sleep in bed. bunch of walkie-talkies. Their son has come to see you. That's okay. You're fine. They know you've been sick. Nicole.
How are you? What are you doing down here?
Can you see me? I'll get out of the way.
Yeah.
The store. Pan this way. Pan this way.
Busting out.
Or 13. What more did you say? 7.
I asked
Before.
Yeah.
It was nice. It was glad to see us.
And the grip, like, it's flat, it's just not comfortable when you thought about it.
And
Gotta tell me first.
did you
I could have.
see Janet?
Amy,
Did you surprise her?
allow her to
Yeah.
take
They
video
tell you
of
it's not a surprise.
What?
Allow her to take video of you. What are you afraid of?
It's just awkward.
I hear it because the radiation.
It's only awkward if you make it awkward. Amy, this is a true principle. Awkward is always a choice. You can choose whether or not to feel awkward.
So do I.
Did you come to see Grandma? Did you come to see Grandma?
How can I say no? No. No, I'm sitting myself in marriage. Wait a minute, I'm married. So why is it when you eat 3 pounds?
Hello,
of chocolate,
Rosie.
you gain 10 pounds?
I've always wondered that.
And you can make me
You could be there a while, David.
Nobody would let me.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, Dad took it.
2 movies in 1.
It's not a quote.
Oh, because the one movie was quoting another movie.
Sort of like if you put rocks inside a box of chocolates. Like a box of chocolates, you don't know what you're gonna get. So there's
I just
never
watched
enough-
that movie and I had
there's
no
never
idea that
enough-
there was nudity in it.
Oh, yes.
Forrest Gump.
You probably seen it on TV.
Well, I had heard about the guitar.
Thank you,
and I was
David.
like, I can handle that. But then you walked away. I was like, oh.
Horses who? Horses who? Horses who? It doesn't matter. Oh, 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Where did he go? 4, 2, 3. I'm still there. Behind us. I'll catch her. 4, 2, 3. If only that was 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, look behind you. Hi, baby. It's cute. No! 4, 2, 4. 4 to 4. Time for a PlayStation game. Hello.
Hi, Cal. Are you having a good time with all your cousins? All these Boston cousins? What about you, Emily?
Yes.
Yes. And you, Lily? Are you having a good time?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Twist them back.
Good to have you here.
Now just twist them back like this.
I guess she's having a good time. Is this a new way to play with a book on it?
All these back. Make the